Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. For today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this absolutely cheesy and juicy Shaniac burger. It is absolutely the best. Let's get started. All right, to get started, I am going to toast my bun, okay? I'm using unsalted butter, and then once that is nice and melted, I am going to place my buns on there. Make sure it's nice and hot, but not too hot to a point where you're going to burn your buns, okay? You just want to toast it really lightly. Now, I'm using brioche bun. You can use whatever bun you prefer, but I like the brioche one, so yeah. Once they're nice and toasted, just like that, you see you have a nice color on them, and then we're going to move on to our ground beef, the burger, okay? All right, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in the skillet. Then we're going to add our seasoning on there. Now the trick I'm using today, I saw it from a recipe from a YouTube video. Her channel name is Kiss My Stove Top. She make absolutely delicious recipe over there, and I noticed that's the way she made her burger, so I'm like, let me try this version and see how it works. Okay, so what she did, she added the seasoning first. I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning with freshly cracked pepper and some salt, and then place your meat on there. Now I'm using ground beef. Make sure it's not too thick, okay? Make sure it's nice, a decent size, so you can cook it thoroughly. So just place it on top of your seasoning, and then we're going to season the top of the burger. Okay, just like so. Now it's time to season the top. Just add your garlic powder, onion powder, freshly cracked ground black pepper with the complete seasoning and some salt, and basically let it cook until the burger is nice and golden brown on one side. Then we'll flip it over and cook the other side. Okay, get it? That's how I saw she cooked hers. There has to be some reason why she did it that way. And when I ate the burger, I definitely tasted it. It tastes absolutely juicy. It was delicious. Now I am going to use the back of my spatula. Just press it down just like so. Okay, press it down really firm, and then we're going to press it one time, okay? And then we're going to flip it over so we can cook the other side. Oh yes, child. You see the crust? Even though my burger was falling apart, but the crust on this burger was, amen to that. Now, my burger wasn't fully cooked on the skillet. I had to place it in the oven for about 5 minutes, then take it out and place the cheese on top of it. So you'll see that part. Well, you won't see the part when I place it in the oven, but yeah. Now I'm adding the cheese on there. Now we're going to place the cheese on there and then pour some water around the burger, just a little bit, so we can melt the cheese, and then your burger should be ready. Now the rest of the ingredients that I'll be using to build this burger, I had a video where I show you guys how to make them. The pulled pork, and also the coleslaw. So check my last video out to see how I made them. And then boom, your burger is ready, hunty. We're going to, ooh, look at that. It is nicely melted. And of course, if you like your burger well done, you can leave it well done. However you like to eat it, go for it. It's definitely up to you at this point, okay? Now I am going to build my burger. I'm going to be using my bun, of course. It's nice and toasty. And then we're going to place some pulled pork on there. Yes, some barbecue pulled pork. Just place it on there. Then you're going to place your burger. Oh my gosh. You see that cheese on there, guys? Let me tell you how juicy this burger was. And then I am going to place another layer of the pulled pork on top, then place the coleslaw on top, and boom, you have your burger. And if you like to eat this burger, where can you find it? At Shaniac Burger. They have absolutely delicious burger there. I was inspired to make this, so this is it. Hope you enjoy it. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye guys. Yum.